I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted chats on Telegram web, Dante, were there ways to recover them? Here's how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Check archive chats. Open Telegram web and look for the archive chats section in the left sidebar. Sometimes, chats are archived instead of deleted. Step 2. Use the desktop app. If you have Telegram desktop installed, open it. The desktop version often syncs messages and may have the deleted chats still available. Step 3. Check other devices. Log into Telegram on your mobile device. If you have not deleted the chat from there, it should still be visible. Step 4. Contact Telegram support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Regular backups. To avoid future issues, consider regularly backing up your chats. Use the export feature in the desktop app to save your messages. Remember, recovering deleted chats can be tricky, so it's always a good idea to back up important conversations regularly. Good luck, and I hope you find your chats.